Ready? Game start. 4-digit least number. 4-digit least number. 4-digit least number.
1,200.
Okay, out. Kucho. Next.
1,230.
Wrong. Out.
9,900.
Wrong. Out. 1,000 is correct answer. Venikilpo. Right. Go back. Next question. Even prime number. Even prime number. 8. Wrong answer. Even prime number.
4.
Huh?
4.
Wrong answer.
2.
2 is correct answer. Go back. Next question. How many zeros are 1 lakh?
5.
5. Okay, right answer. Go back. Least composite number.
1.
1 wrong answer. Next. Least composite number.
0.
0 wrong answer. 2 wrong answer.
5.
5 wrong answer. Least composite number. Least composite number. Out.
2.
2 wrong answer. 2 is a prime number.
4.
4 is correct answer. Go back. Least 5-digit number. Least 5-digit number.
10,000.
1,000 wrong answer.
10,000.
10,000 is right answer. Go back. Go back. Factors of 6. 6 యొక్క factors చెప్పు.
1, 2, 3, 6.
Correct answer. Go back. How many sides in triangle?
4.
4 wrong answer. Go back. Go back.
3.
3 is correct answer. Go back. Go back. Largest 4-digit number.
1,000.
1,000 wrong answer. Largest 4.
9,999.
Very good. Very good. Go back. Go back. 13 7 ja.
13 7 ja 117.
Wrong answer. Go back. Go back. 13 7 ja. 13 7 ja.
91.
Correct answer. Go back. Go back. How many tens in 1,000? How many tens in 1,000?
100.
100 is correct answer. Go back. How many hundreds in 1,000? How many hundreds in 1,000?
10.
10 is right answer. Go back. Integers is denoted by. Integers in ఏ లెటర్తో డినోటెడ్ చేస్తారు?
I.
I wrong answer. Go back. Out.
Z.
That is correct answer. Winner claps.